Good afternoon, traders. It's 11:48 a.m. on January 2nd. So let's go ahead and look at the trades that we had for today. Was QBTS and IBIT, and both of them, they're winners. So the first one, QBTS, we were bullish above 912, which didn't actually happen, but we were bearish below 850 with a target of 780, and that was kind of interesting because right here at the open, we shot up and then we closed pretty much at 850, but we were bearish below 850, and then so this candle here, 850, was our short all the way down, and see the low at the top, 780. That was our final target on that all-in-one candle. Now what you wind up having here is a reversal. We came down to this S1, and then we see these sorts of patterns and then it pushing back up through. So anyway, if you don't have to wait for the other side, if there's multiple trades to take, you don't have to wait for the other side like I called out in the morning, because those were all pre-market. And if you do see a reversal here, then it's technical analysis and patterns on the way back up, because we were bullish above 912, except that we're moving back up here, and then there was a good opportunity maybe to catch some profit here, at least back up to the open, right? And then so now it's lunchtime, we'll see what happens, but this seems to be crawling back up. So switching above IBIT, we were bullish above 55 and bearish below 54.50. We didn't really get to our bearish below. I mean, we kind of, yeah, we didn't really get it. We got 54.60 kind of was the low, so we didn't get the bearish side of it. So on the bullish side, we're bullish above 55 to 55.39, 55.50, 55.75, 56, 56.50. And so what wound up happening is right out of the gate, we had an opportunity. This was a little bit cheeky because this shot up and hit our first target, right? Like right there, this was 55.38. So we got that. This came down and then we tried it again. So bullish above 55. We hit our first target, 55.39. And this one came up to make a high of 55.45. Okay. So anyway, it hit our first target there. Then we pulled all the way back again. And then we gave it a third attempt, 55. And we made it all the way back up 55.58. So our target was 55.75. So our 55.50 level wound up working out there. So this one, yeah, we had a couple opportunities there. Now I want to show you something, the power of the dark pool. If we look at IBIT, this is phenomenal because this is the 5-minute chart, and then with Moby here, it's just adding the largest trades on the chart, and we can add more as we like. But we see that this 53.83 we have here, 54.58 and 54.78, that's a 6 million and a 1.3 million right here back from November 27th. Now when we look at this, we had this pre-market, came down, hammered right on this print, see, 51.3 million. We came up, came back, and we broke above the 6 million, and then on the market open we took off. And then we came back and we tested both of the prints again. And with increasing volume, breaking above a print, that is absolutely phenomenal for going long again. And look at this. Look at the number of green candles we had all the way up. So now we're pulling back. This might be, if we were long here, we might be taking some profit as these roll over like that. So this candle closed. Anyway, it might go a little bit higher, but if you're still in the trade, you'd want to consider maybe scaling out a little bit with that actually occurring. So this is phenomenal, watching where the big institutions are buying and selling this, and especially here with the support, that's a perfect example. So that's 2 for 2 for today. We'll just look at our spreadsheet quickly. QBTS, we're up 70 cents on the day, and for IBIT, it's 50 cents. I'm not going to be cheeky about catching it a couple times, just one is enough. That's a total of $1.30 here per share. So we're doing well this week on our 6 trades, so we'll see what tomorrow brings. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave some comments in the section below, and have a joyful and prosperous new year. Happy trading.